Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Just surfed on Twitter a little bit and found out that Elon Musk tweeted that the referral program, the Tesla referral program, will come to an end by the end of this month, January 2019. So as of February 1, there will be no more referral program. So for those who don't know what that is, from way back in the beginning, Tesla use this referral program. Tesla does not advertise newspapers, TV, internet, nothing. There is no advertising campaign, traditional campaign. It's a word of mouth. It's what I do now, YouTube videos by many people. And it's the good name of Tesla that brings it, and media hype and all that. Okay. Anyway, one of the methods that Tesla use is to use Tesla owners as advertisers. How? By doing a referral program. So there were all kinds of referral programs throughout the years. There was a contest that somebody won a Tesla and another one. And there was the latest one was if you refer somebody to buy a Tesla, if they use your link to buy a Tesla, that person gets 6 months free supercharging. You get to maybe be invited into a Tesla event, launch, things like that. So that's great. I mean, a couple people bought Teslas to using my link. So it's always great. Anyway, this is over in the next couple weeks. And the reason is it's very costly. It's very costly for Tesla. And at this point when they are extraordinarily established, they feel that the cost is not warrant this program, and they're going to stop it. I give you my prediction: it will come back much faster than you think. It was supposed to end on March 11, I believe, of this year, but it got cut short. I guarantee you 25 cents that it will come back one way or the other, especially if there is a new launch for a new model soon and all that. So if you are in a market for Tesla, hurry, you can get 6 months free. So you should use my link, of course. It's right below my big nose, my link, and you can get a free supercharging for 6 months. You have until the end of the month, until the end of January, and then it's all gone. But I think it will come back. I don't know when though. All right, that's it, guys. That's the update, quick one.